Happy Halloween. Here's our little trick or treat stand. So these are the wines we have. 19 Crimes, Frankenstein and the Bride of Frankenstein. I'm obviously having the Bride while Richard's having Frankenstein. Hi, Happy Halloween girls!
Get a picture of the hat.
Here's the porch. More pumpkins. Cat. Lights up here. Little pumpkin guy down there. And then some things that my mum's painted. And then our wreath. So I'm taking all the Halloween decorations down today and putting them away, but I just wanted to film the ones that weren't in the shots that I took on Halloween or in the shots of the basement. So on our display cabinet we just had these little pumpkins here. We also had these up for Thanksgiving. And then most of the other ones I put on the windowsills because we could close the blinds and the cats wouldn't get to them during the day and ruin them. So I have these two little ghosts here. My mum actually painted these. Loads of our Halloween decorations are handmade by my mum. So we have these two ghosts here and then just these little spiders. On this windowsill we have some more things that my mum's made. And then just this little glittery skull and this little cat guy. Yeah, so that's that one. On this windowsill we have these two cats that my mum has made. These are two of my favourite Halloween decorations. I just really like them. And then this little spooky sign here. So yeah, that's a cute little windowsill. Another cat themed windowsill here. So these are all these little cats. When our cat Lucy saw these the first time, she was a bit freaked out at first, but yeah, they're cute. I got these in the UK. Most of these decorations came from the UK. Some of them might be Canadian, but yeah, most of them are from the UK or made by my mum. Okay, on this windowsill I have these little guys. There's two pumpkin guys and then there's a little cat. So yeah, they've just been sitting on this little windowsill here. Okay, and then on this window shelf we have more cats that my mum's made. This one has like little green eyes, this one has white eyes. So those are super cute. And then these are also made by my mum as well. So yeah, all these ones that my mum's made are super special to me. And then lastly in the kitchen we just have these ones here. So this is one that my mum's made. The skinny pumpkin is made by my mum, and then the other two are just shop bought. Oh look, I need to clean our window. But yeah, that's all our Halloween decor for our first year in the house, and now I've got to put it all away.